like MotoGP speed. Doing a wheelie at 140 mile an hour. That is so fast, isn't it?
So this is Peter's Gen 3 Hayabusa with our supercharger conversion. We've got a Kropowicz headers married to twin outlet Voodoo slash cuts. He wanted a loud pipe, and he's certainly got that with this setup, and it's very free flowing, so it gives good horsepower. We've got monster torque. We've got 210 foot-pound of torque. We've got just on 400 horsepower. So you can see this is a horsepower curve, horsepower and torque, so the bright red is horsepower, which we're running up just a fraction under 400 horsepower. And look at the torque, way over 200 foot-pound of torque. And then almost horizontal torque line from 6,000 right the way through to red line. She'll pull a house down. I think Pete's going to be real happy with that. So it's 20 pound of boost, running super unleaded fuel. Then we've got to try some race fuel in it. We've got 20 pounds of boost, and when he comes back, we're going to set it up with race fuel, see if we can touch the 450 horsepower mark for when he wants to go racing. So he's going to have lots of fun with this bike. Supercharger kit is available for all the Hayabusas, Gen 1, 2 and 3 and the B King. All the CNC parts are practically the same, and then the intercoolers and plenum chambers are different depending on which bike it is. If you want one, we're looking at a 6-week lead time. We can give you between 17 and 20 pounds of boost depending on which supercharger you go for, and horsepower's 350 to 450 horsepower. So has the wait been worth it?
Extremely.
Yeah?
It has been worth it. I knew it would be. I knew it would be.
Yeah.
I knew it would be.
You like the exhaust?
The exhaust is a million times better than I expected.
Yeah.
Obviously, as you know, I liked the twin setup before,
yeah,
one either side, just to give the bike a bit of width. But having seen this, it just makes it look 10 times more of a weapon. Yeah. And I know I'm not going to bump into somebody else with this.
Yeah, nobody else has got that. Nobody's got twin exit 4x2 pipe.
Yeah.
And it's got the best headers in the world. It's got the Kropowicz headers.
Yeah.
And then we've got more exit volume because we've got 2 pipes instead of 1.
Yeah.
So that's good for keeping back pressure in the engine down, keeps the engine more efficient, makes more horsepower. And even with warm weather like this, we're still making 400 horsepower, 20 pound of boost, 210 foot-pound of torque, man.
Yeah, that's enough to make the world go backwards, I think.
Yeah.
Very pleased, very pleased.
And it's beautiful that our carbon matches up the carbon that you already have, because all this carbon looks beautiful. And you were right, you don't want too much.
You don't want too much.
Yeah.
And you want it. You want to plan where the carbon is. The idea overall was to break up the white, but to almost imitate like a, if you imagine like those classic revolvers where you might have a chrome gun but with a black handle.
Yeah.
That was the look, to sort of like have 2/3 at the front and exaggerate the sides and skinny it out at the back.
Yeah.
That was the idea.
Well, you hit it on the nail, mate.
Yeah. And the fact that you've also brought the carbon in on the down here, that is just ridiculous. Honestly, and I love the fact, none of that's chrome, and it's all just blended in.
Yeah.
It's all just, and it's not screaming supercharger, but you'll find out.
Yeah, that's the one. You'll find out.
You'll find out. If you're silly enough to get next to it, you'll find out.
Yeah.
Super, 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 super pleased. Super.
Suppose we ought to start her up, see what she sounds like. Make sure she's in neutral.
Yeah.
But she wasn't.
It's a nice note.
Yeah, the blow-off valve?
Yeah, yeah. I love that. Love that. Love that. Love that. Shh.
Yeah.
I actually think
something
it
else
sounds
is
better
going
than the
different.
whistle.
Yeah.
I think it's actually better than the whistle.
Yeah.
I think maybe the whistle makes it sound like it's trying too hard.
Okay.
If
yeah,
that
I
makes
see
sense.
you.
Whereas that's just, it sounds, I think that sounds better. I think that sounds better. So, so pleased. It's come out better than I thought. See, I'm glad I've starved my kids for a year to be able to afford it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm very, look at the size of them, they're dying over there. Yeah. And the wife's not eating in 3 years. Oh, very happy. Very happy. Let's have a little looky.
Yeah. Perch yourself on it.
Let me go around this block here. Oh. It's actually louder. It's louder.
Going to be very happy.
Sounds like you look, Steve.
What, happy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's much louder than before, and that is saying something. It was ludicrously loud before. This is just pure violence. Pure violence. Love it. Absolutely love it. And there's so many little things to stare at, you know? Just when you think you've seen it all. Come over and sit on it, babe.
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, this is your day.
Yeah. B was 75% and C was meant to be 50%.
Yeah. Well, it's still like that.
Yeah.
But B gives you 100%, but more progressive. It doesn't give you it till you get going
that's
further.
fine. Yeah, yeah. So top speed would still be there, but it won't be as aggressive getting there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
But bear in mind that what was
Yeah.
probably 100 horsepower in C mode is now about 170 horsepower.
Yes.
And what was 75% throttle before giving you 150 horsepower is now going to give you 300 horsepower. Yeah. And then when you got full throttle, you got another 100 horsepower.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the nice thing is, as you rode it round there, it didn't feel any different than stock.
Yeah, because up to 2,000, it's just normal, isn't
All
it?
it is, your head tells you, your hand, how much throttle to give to go the speed you want to go.
Yeah.
So if you're happy going 100 miles an hour and it's only using a 10th throttle, where before it was using a 30% throttle, it's a speed that you want, and your hand does whatever
it's
the
still
speed
relatable.
is. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Perfect.
it works really, really nicely. It doesn't scare you. What you must be careful of is if you're coming up behind somebody and you wind it on to overtake, chances are that you'll go in the back of them before you've got a chance to react to go round. Because it'll come on so hard.
It will come on so quickly, I won't swerve around, I'll go straight.
Yeah, so
Okay.
start thinking ahead.
Yeah, I'll practice on that first, on the Merc.
Yeah.
If I'm going to go into the back of anything, I might as well go into something I always go into the back of. It's all good. But yeah, okay, I'm glad you told me that. But I'll make sure I get well out, get my straight line,
and
then
you can pick, you know, on a daily basis, you might think, well, B mode is the sweetest for me.
Yeah.
It's not so
urgent. It was previously, It wasn't as jerky.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I was deliberately riding A mode all the time before I handed it back to you, because I knew my C mode would feel like my new C mode would feel like my old A mode.
Yeah.
So that was my mental thought. So I'll probably go out of it on C mode, And we'll see if maybe we're to B mode on the way home.
Yeah. Then
we'll see.
U1 is what I set it all up on the dyno because it removes the traction control.
Yeah.
And lift mode is on 1, not on 2.
Yeah.
But you can adjust all that.
I can adjust all that still.
Yeah.
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 So I've got A, B, and C as normal, and then I've got U1.
You've got U1, 2, and 3. But
U1, 2, and 3.
yeah.
Yeah.
And they're nearly all throttle angle related.
Yeah.
So don't worry about 2 and 3. You 2 and 3. U1 if you're at the track. If we've got race fuel in, and you're at the track. Or A and B probably while you're on the road.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm looking forward to when I get back from holiday.
Yeah.
Because obviously I'm going to bring this back, go on my holiday, because I've missed the bike too much. So rather than get more done to it right now, I'm going to have the bike back for now, enjoy what little bit of sunshine there is left. I'm going to F off to Dubai, enjoy myself with the family. And whilst I'm away, I won't miss it as much.
Yeah.
You can perform some more magic. And then, we'll just get a lot more horses.
Yeah.
Not as if we haven't got enough already, but you know what it's like when you're big and greedy.
So there's guys out there that have got my kit on.
Yeah.
And when they confess to how much throttle they're giving it, you know, on the dashboard you can see the throttle angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've got to beat 30% throttle.
30% throttle.
You've got to beat 30% throttle.
If I do it, it will be stupidity, not bravery.
I mean, the nice thing is it's that little bit lower, the bit more weight over the front.
Yeah.
So it's going to be less prone to wheelie.
Yeah. I mean, at high speed, these are super comfortable. These Gen 3s.
Yeah.
You know, if you, as long as you can see in front of you, you've got an MTM weight. They're super comfortable. But we'll see if we can get to that 30%.
Yeah.
We shall see. I'm feeling confident. Even though no one else has done it, the stupidness in me is telling me, oh, I'll do it. Yeah. But yeah, dead chuffed.
Yeah.
Dead chuffed.
Great stuff.
Yeah.